Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this gorgeous blue ombre set. So if you guys are interested in how I created this set, then just keep on watching. So as usual, I've already buffed my press-on nails and I also applied some nail cleaner, just my standard basics as usual. And then I am going in with my base coat. I am applying a nice thin layer of base coat across all those nails, and then once I'm happy with them, I am popping it into the lamp for about 30 to 60 seconds. I absolutely love how this set came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, or if you guys recreate this set, then also do tag me. I also have finally hit my 2,000 subscriber goal, so that means I am now going to go ahead and create a giveaway for everyone. So keep an eye out in the future, in the next few videos, and I should be announcing the giveaway and how you can enter and how you can win and what you can win. So keep an eye out for that one. And now as the nails are out of the, I am now going in with my colours. So the colours I am using is one from Venalisa and it's in the colour Ocean. And then the second one is from Semilac and it's in the colour 044 Intense Blue. So right now I'm going in with Venalisa on the thumb. And then on the middle finger I am using the Semilac 044 Intense Blue as the whole nail in colour. And then the index and the ring finger are going to be an ombre nail, which is super cute. And then the pinky, I decided to do something different, and half of it is going to be the Venalisa colour and half of it is going to be the Semilac colour, and it's going to be in like a slanted way. So as you can see, I'm applying the darker shade from Venalisa and I'm just applying it like in the slanted way, and then at the bottom I am applying the Semilac colour. I absolutely love the combination of the blues in this set. I just feel like it's such a cute little set, and blue is one of my favourite colours, and it has been for quite some time now, so I am absolutely obsessed with this set, especially when I combine some glitter in it, and I am just loving it so much. So right now I am now applying some gel polish onto a sponge, just a standard kitchen sponge that I've chopped up into little pieces, and I am applying some of that Venalisa colour and some of that Semilac colour at the bottom, and then we are going to dab it onto those two remaining nails. But the only difference will be that for the index finger, I believe the darker colour will be at the top, so the Venalisa needs to be at the top. And then for the ring finger, the ombre is going to flip so that the Venalisa colour is at the bottom. So make sure you do that. Of course, if that's something even if you forget to do it that way, it really wouldn't matter too much. Probably would never even realise the difference. It looks literally the same. But I've never done it like this where I flipped an ombre in one set. So I thought, why not? Why not give it a little go and just do something slightly different? So as you can see now, for that ring finger, I'm going to flip it upside down, and now the lighter blue is at the top and the darker blue is at the bottom. And now, as I am happy with it, I'm popping it into the lamp. The nails are out now from the lamp, and now I'm applying a second layer of that ombre on the nails, and then they'll be going into the lamp. I will then, in the meantime, be working on the other three nails, applying the second coat of their colour, of the base colour, and then whilst, basically by the time I'm finished applying the top colour on the remainder of the three nails, the ombre nails will be out again, so I'll be applying a third layer of ombre onto those nails, and that'll be the final layer that I will be applying. So this time in this video, it's literally exactly that amount, because sometimes I do more dabs off camera just because I'm not going to bore you guys with the same little clip 7 times if it has to take me that much to get the ombre I want. But in this instance, the gel polishes worked really well together and they just created a gorgeous ombre, so I was super happy with it, and it didn't require much work, which is super nice. I do also mention that the Venalisa colours are very nice for those sponge ombres. They honestly fade so nicely. The Semilac, on the other hand, not the best, not the most ideal smooth transition as I would like it to be, but it's still not the worst, it's still doable. But I do really recommend the Venalisa gel polishes. Yeah, if you guys would like to try this technique and you are maybe struggling right now with those sponge ombres and your gel polish is just not coming out the way you want it, then maybe it's just literally changing the brand. So yeah, just finishing up that pinky, and now you will see that the ombre nails are going to appear back on the screen, ready for their third application. And then once that's done, we can pop it into the lamp and then start working on the nail design, which is literally my favorite part. The nail art, the nail design, the glitters, the everything is literally my favorite. So we are almost there. Alright, so the set is now out of the lamp, it's all nice and cured, and I'm now going in with a base coat for the middle finger and the pinky finger. And that's because it's going to work as a sticky layer for us to apply some glitter. So you're not curing it just yet, you're going to apply the base coat, and then before curing it, we're going to take off the stand and I'm going to apply some glitter. So once the glitter is applied, we'll then pop it into the lamp, and that base coat is basically going to glue that glitter straight onto the nail. And this is the glitter I'm using. It's almost like an ocean, almost like a teal kind of glitter. And I'm so sorry guys about the focus in this clip. I'm not too sure what was happening with my camera, but it was doing all sorts and unfortunately not doing what it should have been doing, so I'm so sorry. And I would also like to say that I have no idea what is in that pot of glitter, that black bit. I have no idea. I realized near the end and I ended up taking it out. I don't know what it is. This is a glitter I've never used before, so it came like that. But yeah, I'm not too sure what it is. Maybe in the factory when I was making them, something must have popped in there by accident. But yeah, I did get rid of it at the end. But as you saw for the middle finger, I was just applying some glitter pretty much across the whole nail, just trying to focus it in the middle, and then right at the top of the nail I'll try to focus quite a lot of that glitter. And then for the pinky, I am just applying the glitter just where the two colors meet so that you can't see that harsh line, and it's a nice little transition from the darker blue to the lighter blue with that glitter. So as you can see, this is what it's looking like. I am popping it into the lamp, and now that it is out, I am using some nail cleaner on a little lint-free wipe, and I'm just trying to wipe as much as I can, of like trying to really avoid the glitter just because it wasn't a smooth surface, so it was trying to rip my little cloth apart. And I'm doing this because I'm about to apply some nail stickers, and these are the stickers. And I did that just because the stickers won't want to stick onto that glossy sticky layer, so I like to take it off just to make sure that the stickers stick on nicely as they should. And so I am applying, I believe, 2 butterflies on the small pinky, or is it 1? I'm not too sure. So right now I'm applying 1 butterfly at the top of that nail. Yeah, so and then I'm applying a much smaller tiny little butterfly right at the bottom, and that nail is all nice and done. And then for the middle finger, I'm applying 3 butterflies. So I'm applying a quite big chunky butterfly at the top, followed by a smaller one. And unfortunately for this nail, I don't know how I managed this. So as you can see, I'm applying 1 big butterfly at the top, and then somehow right at the bottom, not at the bottom, sorry, in the middle bit. So the next butterfly I'm about to place is literally the exact same design of that butterfly, but just a smaller version. I don't know how I managed to do that, and it's something I usually try to avoid because I like to have different contrast, different butterflies, not all the same, and especially as that sheet had so many different butterflies. I don't know how I managed to apply 2 of the same butterflies, just different sizes. Maybe just the sizes threw me off, and I was expecting it. Oh, I thought it was a different nail design. Or I thought it was just a different butterfly, but I don't know how I did it. And then at the bottom, I'm also applying a much bigger butterfly, and thankfully for that one, I picked up a different butterfly, which is nice. Nice little contrast. And that's the 2 nails with the butterflies done. So now we have to apply some matte top coat. So now I am applying the matte top coat across all those nails. And then once I am happy, I am popping it into the lamp. And the matte top coat that I am using is from Venelisa. I love that top coat so much. And yeah, unfortunately, as you can see, that bottle has been really used and I am running out. So I had to flip it over and try to get the last little bits out. And let me know, guys, if this happens to you before. But I've now had 2 matte top coats where I've opened it and inside it's just chunks of like almost like cured gel, which is so weird because the bottle's black. I do everything the same with all of my gel polish, and it's just so weird that the matte top coats get these chunks, which is so weird. I don't know if that's just Venelisa or if that's something that usually happens, because I've only ever had a matte top coat from Venelisa, I believe. So I think it's really, really weird and very annoying because when it comes all new, they're so nice, and then it's so frustrating when later on you get these chunks and then you have to somehow work around it and try and get them off the nails, because I'm not sure if I cure it like that, is it going to get in the way, is it going to be bumpy? It's so frustrating. But luckily, because I flipped it and the way I was putting my nail brush into the bottle, I wasn't picking up too many of those chunks, which is nice. And also whenever I pick up one of those chunks, I try to not put it back into the bottle, I try to like scrape it on the side. So that's also a good tip. Sometimes I would pop it back in and I'll be like, oh no, next time I use the brush again, I'm gonna put it back onto another nail and just be on this little cycle. But as you saw, the nails are now out of the lamp and all nice and cured and all matte. And now for the index finger, we are using a nail art brush and some white gel polish. And I am just applying some lines across the nail. And this doesn't have to be identical to what I've done. This can literally be up to your own liking, as crazy as you want it or as simple as you want it. I kept it quite simple. I like the other nail that I did. This one is definitely the more simpler one. And I'm just applying 2 lines, one at the top, one at the bottom. And then once I'm happy with it, I am then going to coat it with some glitter. So this nail will not be going into the lamp just yet. Once the gel polish is applied, I am going to pop some glitter on top of it. And we're going to use that white gel polish as basically like a sticky layer, just like we did with the base coat. And then once the glitter is applied on the nail, we are then going to pop it into the lamp, and job's done. And the nail's all nice and ready to go, because that's our last step, to be honest. So as you can see, I was just thickening up those lines because I wasn't happy with how small they were and thin. And now I'm just getting my white glitter and I'm just caking it on. And I believe I dropped this nail in there by accident, but luckily the nail art design wasn't moved at all, so it's all good. Nothing budged. And I just carried on with the glitter application. And then once I was happy with that, I tapped the excess off and then I popped that one into the lamp whilst we work on the ring finger, I believe is the next one. So that one is now in the lamp, and yes, we are taking that ring finger. So same thing applies for this finger as well, same thing with the white gel polish, but this one I just decided to do a bit more swirly whirlies going on with the white, a bit more of creativity you could say. I'm getting so much more comfortable with these nail art brushes because I've changed them because my other one broke, and I was having a really hard time trying to get used to these nail art brushes just because I was so used to the other one. But luckily, slowly as time has gone on and I've been trying to use them more and more, these have become so much nicer to use and I feel so much more comfortable, and yeah, I'm really happy with them at the moment. I believe I got them off Amazon. I will try and link them if I can find them. I'll just have to go into my orders, so I will try and link them down in the comments. I believe they came in a pack of 4, so different sizes and lengths of the brush. Don't know if sizes, but I know lengths for sure. So this is what I did for the ring finger, and I was happy with it, and I was applying that glitter once again. Applying, and then I'm popping into the lamp, and once they are out, I'm going to brush through those 2 glitter nails to get any excess glitter off that didn't cure under the lamp. And then once that's done, that's the set all nice and done. So I'll show you guys the results in just a second. Alright, so this is the final result. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!